Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos. And today I'm really happy because it actually snowed like a lot last night. Like every year when I'm here in Japan, we don't really get a lot of snow over the past few years. So every year I'm just waiting for the decent snow, and it actually snows like a really a fair bit since yesterday afternoon. So now I'm probably like, I don't know, 30, 40 centimeters. Almost until my knee level. I think it's about maybe 40 30 40 centimeters. So yeah, it's still snowing now. So we have fresh powder snow. I'm really happy. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to my channel, you might want to consider subscribing. If you found my channel recently, thank you. I hope you enjoy your time here with my video content. I got a lot of things on hand at the moment. A lot of the birds are coming to the little birdhouse to feed on the sunflower seeds. Yeah, it's just really nice to stay out here in the countryside. Yeah, just try not to sidetrack. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. For all you guys who have been with me for all these while, thank you so much for your support. I hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, I'm in Japan here, way up in the mountains. So yeah, when it snows in winter, I'm really happy. Like the kids, they're happy as well. They go out in the morning. They do the snow shoveling. They try to clear the car out because if they don't clear the car out, it's gonna be hard to get into the car. And yeah, so yeah, I'm excited like a little kid too. So yeah, today I have a little very cool product. I don't think I've seen a lot of this. I don't think I've seen a lot of videos on this particular product on YouTube. It's called ScudoUSA. But what is this? I was, actually looking around for like a minimalist wallet, more like a card case. And yeah, based on my experience with it and all the information that I got over the years, usually the Dango Maverick wallet is the one that always pops up, and I think quite a number of people have it. And I was just looking around for a little bit more sometime in late December 2023 last year. And then I kind of found this brand called Scudo, ScudoUSA. It's basically a metal style cage, card case, or you can call it a wallet if you're not carrying around too much stuff. So they do have a couple of videos on it, and not a lot. So I decided to just pick it up when it was on sale. Yeah, and there it is, a Scudo.USA. Pick up a couple of other items as well. So it comes in this really compact, simple, no nonsense, like a what is that box with the design on the outside, the wings and a dagger, and then made in USA. So yeah, open up the box. There's this is how it looks like. Well, this is the year of the dragon, so I decided to get one with a dragon face. There's like a whole bunch of designs you can choose from, and there are also a lot of series of these metal style wallets that you can choose from ScudoUSA. I do have to remind you that this is not a paid advertisement. I bought all the items with my own, funds and everything. Why I decided to pick this company? Because it's a one-man operation, and their stuff are like really well done. Not a lot of reviews, but I think it's just extremely durable. And yeah, I just liked it overall. So I picked up the classic Switch series of the, what is that, Scudo, like a metal wallet. I think they do offer this in a few variations, but I don't suppose you can get the previous variations. Now I think you can get it in like 10 cards or 18 cards. I can't really remember, but yeah, it was on sale like a couple of bucks. I think the recommended retail price was like 79 bucks. I got it for like 71 bucks or something. I don't know, and a couple of other accessories. So it's not really expensive, but it is, from my own research on this, I mean, don't take my word for it. You got to do your own research. From my own understanding, this is a very well built piece of like a metal cage wallet for your cards. For your what is that, money. If you're in the market for this minimalist kind of wallet. So it only comes in black, and you can actually choose different like designs based from the Switch series itself. There are other series of the wallet itself. There's like the Elite series, which have like a little coin or medallion they can switch out. But I just kind of like the simplicity of the regular Switch series. Oh, the birds are all gone. Okay, never mind. So you can choose with you know, this is the front cover, so you can choose a different cover for the front. Then you can choose whether you want it with a full metal back or with a clear cutout with a polycarbonate on the inside. If you choose the one with a full metal back, you can actually attach a harmonic clip or a clip that you can, you know, kind of pinch and squeeze some a little bit of cash on it. But I want like a simple, a two-sided clear plastic case that you can see through to what kind of cards you want. So I picked the one with a clear bag with this polycarbonate protective cover. They can see what's on the inside, and on the front you can choose what kind of plate you want. But I also got an additional accessory, a clear polycarbonate case to fit onto the front, so you know, from the front and the back you can see right through whatever card that you're carrying. So when you're ordering this online, you have to be careful because they offer two of these polycarbonate plates. One is for the front face cover, one is for the back. So make sure you don't mess up your orders if you're ordering them. And I also got an external like a lanyard or something. But well, they already have a little loop here, so I don't really need this. You know, it's basically just yeah, an accessory. I kind of, after I got it, I realized that, yeah, I can, you know, put a ring through here and then hang it or something. Yeah, but well, you know, it's just like $8 or something. I can't remember. So not a big deal. So how do you open this thing? So there's a little latch here. So basically you just yeah, press the spring a loaded latch and it opens up the card case. So now the card case kind of opens up to a flat design. I think the previous versions of this Switch, you can only open up to like a certain angle, but this one opens up full. So yeah, definitely a very good design feature there. And this is constructed out of like a really solid, I think it's aluminum, aircraft grade aluminum, if I'm not wrong. It's lightweight, it's durable, and I think yeah, I think it comes in black, if I'm not wrong. Maybe there are other colors, I'm not sure. But yeah, you can switch out this base, this front cover plate of something of your design. It's held on by four Allen screws, and this little metal plate is very beautiful. It's on the back, it says Scudo, made in the USA with the good old American flag. So yeah, I'm just gonna switch this out and put on a clear polycarbonate case because I don't want to damage the, you know, the beautiful edge dragon design. This is a Year of the Dragon, so yeah, a good addition to anything dragon related. Okay, so yeah, open it up. The hinges are really stiff, which is good because, you know, it doesn't flap around and, you know, gives you sorts of problems. So how do you do it? How do you actually use this? So basically, there's you know, the little latch at the back here. You open up the latch and then you kind of flip it up, and then you flip your cards this way, and then you can kind of search through your cards to see which one you want, and then you pick one up and you pay for it. So a very simple design, not a lot to talk about. You know, there's a little cushion. I think it's a Scudo stickers on the inside. So this is the back polycarbonate plate that you can remove. So basically there's nothing inside. It's not held on in anywhere. So if your card case is empty, this might move. You know, I do wish you can hold it down, but you can probably like put on like a tape or a double-sided tape or glue or something to have it permanently sealed there. But well, it's not a huge design flaw or anything of that sort. I was hoping it was just permanently attached to the bag, but well, it's just a little hindsight on my part, not a deal breaker for me. So yeah, you put your cards in and everything. If you want to put cash on the inside, you probably got to fold it up and sandwich between your cards, and then you kind of close it up, and that's it. Very simple a product review. You know, I don't suppose there's any real world review of this. Just a little metal wallet, a card case. Yeah, it does make a little clickies, like the card rattling sound if it's not full, you know, and everything. I have no issues about this little wallet because it's a full metal, solid construction. Even if you drop it, it's gonna get chipped and get a nice patina over the years of using it. But this is definitely gonna protect your card or your important items at all costs. It's no nonsense, and it doesn't have. One of the reasons why I didn't want to pick like the Dango Maverick or the style of wallets, minimalist wallets like that, because it had a little elastic band around it, and I didn't really like elastic bands because over the years rubber bands will degrade. Either they become sticky if you live in like hot tropical countries like Singapore, where I'm from, or over winter, over summer, over winter, summer, the expansion and contraction of the rubber, the dryness of the moisture in the air. It will degrade the rubber over time, so you probably have to get it changed. But on one of these without the rubber bands, no nonsense metal case. Buy it, use it, and that's it. No hassle. It's not gonna break on you. It's not gonna degrade anything. If you drop this in the water, yeah, it's gonna probably get all your cards wet. The spring loaded, the mechanism is really gonna rust and everything. But well, that's about it. You're probably not gonna drop this in the water if you put it in your little tiny cute little purse, or if you hang it around your neck, lanyard or something. But yeah, I probably got I got this because I got a little tiny porter bag in my previous video, and yeah, I want to kind of shrink down the regular size wallet so that I could use that little cute porter bag. Yeah, so yep, a very short video. Talking about the ScudoUSA, a classic switch style of card case or a metal wallet. And on a side note, if you're with me till this far, don't mind my rants. I also got another dragon stuff, dragon patch. Yeah, this is the V2. Yeah, and I mean, I wasn't in Hong Kong for the Curiology Hong Kong meetup with Suburban. But I always wanted a dragon with a lady on it, but I don't know why. This is like a Japanese lady, but it's a Hong Kong meetup. So yeah, but dragon definitely they're cool. So if you're like Chinese, you probably know one of those Chinese dramas, with the little dragon girl and the main character with a sword or something. Yeah, it's kind of like the Chinese version of Final Fantasy, yeah, but the Xiao Long Ni, that's what it's called, the little dragon girl. I always like the little dragon girl. It's just so appealing, So when this patch design done by Dan Matsuda, very, very prominent designer, was being reviewed, I really wanted this patch, but I couldn't be in Hong Kong. I mean, I wouldn't fly there to just attend it. I have to work and feed the family and pay my bills, and so yeah, I got my hands on one of these. So thank you so much. You know who you are for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. Yeah, dragons, and I got a whole bunch of more other dragon stuff. So yeah, today I'm filming this on a brand new iPhone 15, not a Pro, just a regular 15. I don't know about the video quality, but I know it's pretty good. So I'm not using my regular Canon 5D setup. A very simple setup. You film this on a iPhone 15, mounted on a small rig, little clamp, and on top of my Pelican case. So thank you for checking out my videos. I'll see you guys in future videos. Take care and bye.